Bill Gowdy checking in. No rain. Nope, it's not raining. It rained all night last night. That river is max. Max. They closed the bridge just south of here. That bridge is about 10 miles south in Hamilton to Keokuk. Yeah, you can't go across there. The river rose and flooded the highway. You know what they say, turn around, don't drown. It was too wet to mow, but it wasn't too wet. Well, it might have been too wet, but I did it anyway. I used a weed eater all day today. Yeah, I picked up some wood that I had cut and down. And yeah, I got a lot of mowing done yesterday before the rain. But yeah, I'm not done. Oh no. But you know what? Since there's a break in the action and I didn't get to do it last night, I'm going to have the ass blaster tonight. I got all the stuff out. Let's get to cooking. Let's get our priorities straight. And then let's get to cooking. Huh? Shall we? While that's cooking, I'm going to get these sweaty clothes off. I'm going to take a shower. Yeah, and I'll bring you back. But let's get going right now. Look at this. This is my charcoal chimney folding edition, made by Camp Made. Look at this. Folds down. Got the slots cut out. Yeah, thanks to Living Survival and the instructions. Yeah, it fits right on top of that pan right there. I'm going to use a little Camp Made charcoal, all coconut. 16 on the bottom and 10 on the top. I want to thank the people at Camp Made. This is their Dutch oven. That's their charcoal chimney. And that's their charcoal tray. And their multi-use tool. It holds the grill. It holds the lid. I mean, there's just so many things that this thing can do. I'm going to put a link down below. You want some Camp Made stuff, follow that link, enter Gowdy20, and I can get you 20% off. In here I have my onions, I have an orange bell pepper that was on sale, and my garlic and my oregano. And my salt pork. That's salt pork in there. Now I'm going to add the ass blaster. It says 4 tablespoons, and do you think I can find my measurement spoon? I got a teaspoon, so I think I'm going to count 2 teaspoons for every tablespoon. I don't know. Is that right? I don't know. I think I'd rather have more than not enough. Let's mix that up. You know, I think I can always add some more of that hot sauce if I need to. Oh, that looks so good. That really does. is called Ass Blaster Border Beans, and it says that you put everything in the pan and simmer until thoroughly heated. Add water if necessary. Enjoy each ass blasting bite. I'm just going to let that cook. I think I'll just I'll check on it. I'll take the lid off and just make sure everything's looking good, but I think I'm just going to let that burn down. Just let those coals burn out. Yeah, and then I'll eat. All we can do now is sit back and wait. And enjoy an ice cold beverage. Oh, I feel so much better. I took a shower, got rid of all that sweat and that dirt. I want to thank Big J, it's Gun Wild 1, for sending me this ass blaster. I've been subbed to him for a long time. He's just an awesome guy. And back in the day when I was building with Tim Troyer, doing the build-along, built my first knife. And Troy, 5690, who doesn't make any videos anymore, but he was in that build-along, had a contest. And I entered it, and Big J entered it, and Big J won. But he wanted to pay it forward to me. Well, Troy, 5690, he's from Australia. And he gave us both the same prize. It was awesome. It was a kangaroo nutsack. Yeah, I still carry mine to this day. I think of Troy 5690 all the time. Nutsack. Well, I'll bring you back when that charcoal burns out. I just happen to think, you know, that coconut charcoal burns hotter and lasts longer. Just thought I'd mention that. I'm not sure if you're going to hear that or not, but yeah. Can you hear that? It's rolling thunder. Thunder, yeah, the storm is coming. It's to my south right now. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put my stuff away. I still got my stuff going, and it's simmering just nicely. It really is. But I'm going to be ready just in case it starts to downpour.
Nissan Summer of SUV sales event. It's save big on road with intelligent around view monitoring. Plus, save on a full SUV. It's all possible financing.
Oh yeah, look at the goodness. Can you see that? Oh, that smells so good. I'm hungry. Let's dig in. Steamy goodness. Let's dig into that, shall we? This is where some cornbread would be great, but I haven't had cornbread in, oh, such a long time. Wow. That is good. And you know what? Oh, I can taste the heat. I sure can. Wow. Yeah, that ass blaster stuff is hot. Very hot. I am glad I didn't add more. Yeah, it wants to. It's clearing my sinuses, and I can feel just just that tear to your eye. Oh, that's so good. I can taste the garlic and the salt pork and the beans. Mmm, it's hot. That is so good. That's a good, excellent recipe. Ah, a vessel of amber fluid. The highlight of my day. And I'll tell you what, I got a lot of work done today. I sure did. And this is just excellent, excellent. Mmm, ass blaster. I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. If that's true. Definitely hot though. Yeah, it's got some heat. Listen, I want to thank you for watching. I want to finish eating this. Climb up in that bunk, and you know it. Got a lot to do tomorrow. I sure do. And it's raining. It's raining out right now. All right, Bill Gotti out. Thanks for watching.